The rowing series takes place on one spring. Turn yourself around and then picking up the handles for into the chest. Pull from your powerhouse, lifting in a rounded C curve. Open the arms to the sides, press back through the arms, and then lift to fold forward. Lift the arms and then circle all the way to the toes and stretch. Roll up, pull from your powerhouse, open the arms to the side, press from your powerhouse, lift to fold over, keep lifting the powerhouse as the arms go up, and then they circle all the way around. One more time for 3 total. Pull from the powerhouse, open the arms, press back from the powerhouse, bring the arms to the back, lift, and then circle wide, reaching the arms as far out to the sides and then as far forward as you can. Roll up nice and tall, lift the arms for 90 degrees. Go back in one solid piece, come forward, and then fold, lifting the powerhouse to pull the arms back towards the hips, lift again, and circle all the way to the toes and stretch forward. Again, roll up, arms are 90 degrees. The arms lift as we hinge back in one piece, and the arms lift to reach forward and pull deep along the side of the reformer up to the ceiling and circle all the way around, lifting the powerhouse throughout. So we never let the powerhouse fall out onto the thighs. Lift to go back, lift straight and tall to come forward, hinging from the pelvis, pull back from the powerhouse, lift to the ceiling and circle all the way around, reaching for the toes, and enjoy that lovely stretch. Next, we're going to turn around, so place the handles flat on the carriage, swing around, pick up the handles with the thumbs and slide right back to the blocks. Lift up and away from the blocks with the spine as you press out, lower to the mat, lift up to the ceiling, and try not to move the carriage as long as you can and then return home. Press out. Reach down and touch down, lift up to the ears, arms are straight up by the ears, and then press, 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 and resist home. One more time, from the chest, press out, lower down, touch the mat, lift up to the ceiling, open and grow even taller as we press, press, press. Now from the hips, flex the feet deeply, arms by the sides, and reach out under the heels, roll up and reach straight to the ceiling, and then open the arms and resist. Reach out, lifting the powerhouse away from the reach of the arms, reach up to the ceiling, open the arms, and grow even taller. Last one, press out, reach under the heels to reach up, 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 keeping tension on the spring throughout. Open as we grow taller and rest. Now bring the legs to a cross position if possible. Arms go out like you're serving a tray, and then bringing the thumbs and fingers together, bend and stretch for the shaving, trying to stretch straight up towards the ceiling or at an angle if necessary for the shoulders. Pressing 3 to 5 times in this position, growing as tall as we can. We switch the cross of the legs for the hug. Exhale for 3 as we hug the arms together, opening the back muscles and hugging, strengthening the chest, and then reverse the breath to exhale on the pressing together for 3 times. You can check out more videos on the entire series below with our experts.